All right, let's go ahead and take a look at R5, which says we're going to write and solve direct variation equations. So we're going to assume in our first problem that y varies directly with x, meaning as x goes up, y goes up, or as x goes down, y goes down. If y is equal to 16 when x is equal to 2, find y when x is equal to 1. Write and solve a direct variation equation to find the answer. Well, all three of these r's, our direct variation equation has been the same. Y is equal to kx. So this time we know that y is equal to 16, and k we don't know, but we know that x is 2. Go ahead and rewrite it in a way that's comfortable for you. So we have 16 is equal to 2k. We're going to divide by 2 on both sides of the equation, and we have k is equal to 8. Now, we would be done if we were in R2, but we're not. We would almost be done if we were in R4, but we're not. So the second part of this says, find y when x is 1. So now we have our new constant of variation equation. We know k is 8, so we have y is equal to 8 multiplied by x. So we're going to substitute the number 1 right here, this number 1, we're substituting for x, so y is equal to 8. Here's our next one. Let's look at number 2. Now here's our second question. It looks a little bit different from the first. The first was a word problem. The second one says a direct variation includes the points 4, 12, and 2n. Find n. Write and solve a direct variation equation to find the answer. So we're still going to use our direct variation formula, or equation, y equals k multiplied by x. We're still going to use the ordered pairs, 4 and 12. So we're going to replace y with 12, k we don't know, and x is 4. Rewrite it. So 12 is equal to 4k. We're going to solve for k. No pun intended. So k is equal to 3. Now that we know what k is, we can rewrite our equation as y is equal to, now we know the constant is 3x. Now if you look here at your ordered pair, you have your first coordinate, which is your x coordinate. So I'm going to write that here, 2, comma n. 2 is the x. What we don't have is the y coordinate. So we're going to substitute inside of our equation one more time. Y is what we're looking for, is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. So y therefore would be 6. So the new ordered pair would be 2, comma 6. And I know it says n here, but keep in mind this n is in the y position of the ordered pair. In this example, it is a little bit different from what we've had before. This one says assume that y varies directly with x. That part is the same. But it says if y is equal to 12 when x is equal to 4, this time we're asked to find x when y is equal to 9. Write and solve a direct variation equation to find the answer. So we start off the same way with y is equal to k multiplied by x. We replace or substitute our y and x values. So y is 12. We don't know what k is, but we know x is 4. So we have 12 is equal to 4k. We divide by 4 on both sides of the equation. Therefore, the constant of variation is 3. So now we rewrite our equation knowing our constant, and we've got y is equal to 3x. We're asked to find x this time. We're finding x when y is 9. So I'm going to replace y with 9 equals 3 multiplied by x. I want x alone, so I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. Therefore, x would be 3. Alright, I hope this helped you with R5. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll see you on the next video.